This video will demonstrate how to see if an email has been sent by the system. To find out any history on your emails, you just go into Marina and then down to email history. Okay, in the history section here, what you can see is all emails that the system has been set up to send. Now, as you can see from this, these emails down here that were created on the 11th of the 12th have a sent date, so we know that they've been sent to the customer. The ones above those don't have a sent date, so you know that they haven't been sent yet. Now, if the systems have been set up to email every 3 minutes, so an email doesn't go straight away, it sits in this section and then is emailed all at once every 3 minutes. The system will be checking to see if it has to send any emails. If you do have any emails that are sitting in there that haven't been sent, that have been in there longer than, say, 3 minutes, please notify support by going to service.micropower.com.au and have one of our customer service agents look into it for you. Thank you for watching this video.